guys, welcome back. Okay, let me change the lighting. I don't know, it's like a little too bright, but let's see how that works. But I'm back with another Prezi. So these are things that I've gotten like months ago, and I'm just showing you because I took a little break, as I said. And if you're new, my name is Ty. Welcome to my channel, fashion, lifestyle, we're here. Okay, back to the video. So I have a bunch of things in this bag. So the first thing actually that I got from Louis Vuitton is, can you see it? Oh, a box. So I took the contents of the box out beforehand because it would be hard to do this while talking and filming, but essentially it came in this box in here. So can you guess what it is? You know what it is. Okay, so here it is. Finally got the Louis Vuitton Bumbag, the LV Bumbag. And you might say, yeah, this is like my third bum bag that I've gotten so far, but I just love them, and they're perfect for what's going on in the world right now because it's more casual. But I really love this because I wanted something in the Monogram from LV, and I don't believe I have anything. No, I do have one more thing, but I just wanted it from in the Monogram. Okay. So I really love this bag because it's very spacious, it's very big. I love that it's brown. It does have the vachetta leather on here, which can be problematic, and my hands are wet, so that's something else. I did spray this with Apple Guard though, and I've had it for 6 months, maybe more. And it looks still new, like it's not that tan of a leather yet. But it's a big compartment here. It's really big, no pockets inside, just one big thing. It does have this flap, which can be annoying. I don't think it is because it does have a flap here. So I just keep all the things that I don't need to reach so often, but then I put like my phone and keys in here, and even my chapstick in here. It's very spacious in here. Like my phone fits, and I have an iPhone 10 or 11, I can't remember. But it's like a regular size iPhone, and this is the strap. So I'll put a picture of it on me. I like to wear it like this, or across, or even like this, but I never really hold it like this though. I usually do it as a shoulder bag or across, and I just love how casual it is, and squishy, and it's like low maintenance, I think, except for the vachetta leather, but it's still fine. I did spray it with Apple Guard, and so far so good. Yeah, wear and tear. It's gold hardware, a little bit of discoloration here, but I think it's because I did leave the plastic on it for too long. Don't do that. It has a little ring at the bottom, which some people do hook like a chain here to connect it. Maybe it's easy to zip and pull, but I'm not doing that. I don't feel like doing that right now, so yeah. I really love this actually. It's like, I don't know, I just really love this bag. I think it's so useful, and it makes sense. I actually did get this in England, and the price I think was a little bit cheaper here, especially if you get it tax free. Yeah, so yeah, everything from Louis Vuitton here is from England, so keep that in mind. And when I got this, I couldn't find this anywhere. Like, I tried to get it online, it was not online. So yeah, but I love this bag. I really recommend. Somebody did ask about this bag versus the YSL one I have, and they give different things. The other one's black. It's a little bit more dressy. You can make it more dressy. This one, I can't really make it dressy. It's just very casual. I could if I wanted to, but it's just very casual, honestly. So that's why I have two. And I have another one that's red, and I like them all. So I would actually get more if I could. But yeah, that's it for that. So the next thing I got was in this little box, and it is a scarf. Well, not a scarf, like a bandolier, like a twilly, you would say. So it's just this one. I always wanted one just because it's there, you know, and I wanted to put this around my pochette métisse. And also you can put it as a headband, as a tie. It's very versatile, actually. I don't use it that often just because when I got it, it was like in the middle of the panini, and I didn't use it that much, but I have used it before and I like it. As a hair tie, as whatever. I haven't put it on my bag yet just because I'm lazy, or I was being lazy, but I do like it though. Yeah, so I don't think you can go wrong with this. This I got from England as well, and it was a cheaper price, so I was like, you know what, just get it. So yeah, and it does have this little tag here, which I want to take off, but I don't know if I should. I'm gonna just cut it off because it's like, it gets in the way, like when you put it as a hair tie. Like, I don't want it to show, but I could, but I don't know. And it's 100% silk, and not much to say about it. It's just a twilly, you know? So that's that. The last one I got was in this small little box. It opens like this. I really like how the box is open, and you know, it comes with a ribbon and everything. Let me go get it because I use that every day. Alright, so what was in this little box is here. What was in the little box? This is it. So it's basically the key pouch. I always wanted this. I don't know, I just always wanted it. It's so cute. And you can just put your keys and everything in there, and you can put your cards if you want. I don't do that. I have a card holder, so I just put my keys in here. And I have to take out my keys a lot, so you know, I wouldn't want to put my cards in here because it could just fall off, you know. But yeah, and it has a little hook here. You can, I think it goes like this. You can open it up, put your keys in there, and you're good. One thing I will say though, I've had this for about has it almost been? I didn't even know when I got these, but it's been a while, and it's like oxidizing or something. I don't know if you can tell. I'll do a close-up, but it's discolored already. I don't care because I'm using it like it's meant to be used. I really do not care. But I just noticed that I'm just like, wow, it's really oxidizing. Like, maybe I could clean it off, probably. It might work, I don't know. But yeah, I think it's a really good purchase, honestly. Like, especially if you want to get something cheaper, this is like a really good affordable thing to get, and you'll always use it. Like, you'll get your cost per wear out of it. Like, my cost per wear is $0. It's negative because I use it every day. So yeah, I just really like it. I think it's really cute. Something to have in your bag so you can protect your leather bags, and if you want to do a little flex, I just think it's very cute. I'm trying to think if there's anything else that I got that I want to show you, but I think that's it. I might do some cutaways of the bag on me, but I think I have a picture of that, so I'll just pop that in. So, and also follow me on Instagram. You can see more pictures. You can screenshot there, and you can connect with me and talk with me if you want. So guys, I will see you later. Have a wonderful day and peace out. Alright, bye. So I don't know if you can tell, it's not coming up on camera that much, but it's very discolored. Like, I don't know, it's very discolored. So I don't know if you can tell, like little, like right there, like these little pieces, they're like orangey. So that's what I wanted to show you. Close up of the scarf, close up of the bag.